Hello my beautiful lovers, today we are making delicious moimoi. Guys, watch this video to the end and see how I make this delicious moimoi, guys. So now the pap wash beans be this, guys. I don't already wash, and so it's time for me to blend it, guys, as you can see on this video. So I add the beans inside, pour water inside and cover it and blend it together, as you can see. Now the blender when I use the blend be that too. Not just another one, so that is why I'm putting it small to blend it, guys, as you can see on this video. So this is the first set, so we are going to blend the second set. So I added onions and pepper inside, pour water inside, put it for the blender and grind it. As you can see, the second set is ready. Let's go for the third set, guys. Na wife material they run now. That is why they tell all of una say make una come register for my online cooking. So this one are the third set. So the fourth set now we want go for. So I just blend the pepper and onions inside, guys. Everything is ready, so I have to use water and whisk it, pour it inside, as you can see on this video. Now wife material they run now. If you test this mama, it was so delicious, guys. So I didn't use fish, I didn't use crayfish, guys. I just use only egg, as you can see on this video. Just watch it to the end. I go in with Maggi and salt, as you can see. After adding it, I turn it together as a wife material that I am. Now only wife material fit run like this, so that is why they tell all of una say make una come register for my online cooking. So I can't go in with hot water. This is hot water. So if your mama or your beans is not too light, you can go into with enough hot water, guys. So I added small. After turning it together, I cover it to rest for a while. So we are back again, guys. As you can see, who they run and a wife material. Now the egg, when I want use be that, I make use of 8 eggs. So after busting it, I add it inside the moimoi. The beans is bean cereal, the moimoi is moimoi. So I mix them together, and I see the way the color will change. I can't add groundnut oil join. So after adding the groundnut oil, I have to turn it together. Una see, and so now like this I can turn now. It's time to share it. See wife material now. So when you are mixing your mama, make sure you test it to know if the taste is okay, guys. Who they run now wife material. Come and register for my online cook if you have not registered, so that you will know how to economize, you will know how to cook, you will learn how to save. So I don't tie and finish, as you can see on this video. Wife material don't tie and nah. The thing just very easy for wife material to do. So if you watch and follow this process and make your mama, you will love it. If you don't have fish, if you don't have crayfish, you can use egg like this and make it, and you will enjoy it. Just take a look at this moimoi now. It's getting ready. So I don't get this paper again, so I have to add the other paper inside so that I can cook the mama, so that it will not come under the pot. That is why I'm putting this paper inside. So after putting it, I arrange the moimoi inside. So the moimoi is not too much. It really cuts that well. This English here, English will not cut my tongue. So I can't add water inside after adding the moimoi, as you can see. I'm on a wife material. They run now. Come and register for my online cooking. So it's time for me to cook it. Oh my gosh, take a look at moimoi now. Who they run now? Who they dear? See moimoi done ready. Guys, share this video and tell me, what do you think about this moimoi? It was so delicious and yummy. Can you see that? Can you see the way the moimoi cuts that very well? And so before I finish, when I gave my husband testified that Jesus is Lord. It was so yummy, guys. Share this video and follow for more.